Hey guys, Serena from Rad Dudes here. Today we are going to show you how to put our hood prop kit into our 1100 blaster. Okay, so our kit includes 2 gas shocks, our custom Rad Dudes bracket, 2 mounting brackets, and all the install hardware necessary. So the tools you're going to need to install is 1 drill, 1/4 inch drill bit, 2 13mm wrenches, 1 10mm wrench, 1 4mm Allen wrench, and 1 10mm socket wrench. So before we go over to the ski, it's actually easier to set yourself up with your upper bracket and putting the pins together beforehand. So you're going to twist them on and you're going to take your 2 13mm wrenches and wrench them tight. Okay guys, now you're gonna come over to the ski, and the first thing you wanna do is take off the hood seal and get it out of your way. Next, you wanna measure 4.5 inches from the front of the engine bay and make a mark. Now, after you've made your line, what you wanna do next is, using your bracket as a guide, you want to draw out your 2 marks for where you have to drill your holes. Now that your holes are drilled, you're gonna take both of your flat head Allen cap bolts, your M6 washer and lock nut, and you're going to mount your bracket underneath in place. Okay, so once you've done your brackets on both sides, what you're gonna wanna do is glue back down your hood seal. Utilizing your OEM stock bolts, what you're going to do is use those to mount your Rad Dudes custom bracket. So now that your upper bracket is mounted, what you wanna do is take your gas shock and click it in to place on your end sockets. And all set. Okay, and you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And you should have a perfect hood prop kit.